Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Podcast English Learning, your favorite place to relax, enjoy, and practice real English slowly and clearly. What do two friends talk about when they meet up after not seeing each other for a while? And what small things in a conversation can help you sound more natural in English? Stay with us to find out in today's episode. Today, we're going to practice a real-life English dialogue. You'll hear a natural and fun conversation between two friends who meet at a cafe. Listen closely, repeat after them, and try to speak along with the dialogue. Ready? Let's begin. Hi, Liam. I'm over here. Hey, Emma. There you are. I'm so glad to see you. Same here. It's been a while. Yeah, nearly 2 weeks. Feels like too long. We really should hang out more often. Absolutely. So, how have you been today? I'm doing well, thanks. Got a good night's sleep and had a yummy breakfast. That's awesome. I barely slept last night. Oh no, what happened? I stayed up watching a movie till midnight. Ha! You and your movie nights. I know. I just can't help it. I love watching films before going to bed. Are you feeling sleepy now? A bit, but I think some coffee will help. Same here. I need my daily coffee fix. All right, let's go in and grab something. Wow, it's really crowded today. Yeah, there are a lot of people. How about that table in the back corner? It's a bit dark over there. True. What do you think about this one near the window? Perfect. I love how bright it is here, and we can watch the street outside. I enjoy people watching. Me too. It's fun to guess what they're up to. Look at that guy. Maybe he's heading to the office. Or maybe he's running late for a meeting. Let's sit here. It's comfy and nice. Agreed. I really like this spot. Hi there. What can I get started for you today? Hi. Could I get a cappuccino, please? Sure thing. And for you? I'd like an iced latte, please. Would you like anything to go with that? Maybe just a slice of chocolate cake. I'll take a blueberry muffin, please. Great. I'll be back with your order shortly. You always go for the iced latte. I know. I never change. It's my absolute favorite. How about you? I usually try something different, but cappuccino is my usual pick. I love the smell inside coffee shops. Me too. It feels warm and cozy. And the music is always nice. Yeah, it makes me feel calm and happy. So, how's life? Pretty good. I've picked up a new hobby. Oh, really? What is it? Painting. I'm taking a class every weekend. That's so cool. Are you enjoying it? Absolutely. It really helps me unwind after work. I've always wanted to try painting, but I'm not great at art. Well, you don't need to be good. It's just something fun to do. That's true. Maybe I'll give it a shot one day. What about you? I started jogging in the park. No way. How often do you go? 3 times a week. It's tough, but I always feel good afterward. That's impressive. I'm too lazy to run. Honestly, I used to be lazy too, but now I like it. Maybe I should try. It's good for your health. Exactly. Hey, we could go together sometime. That would be awesome. But don't run too fast, okay? Deal. We'll take it slow. So, do you have anything planned for the weekend? Yeah, I'm going to visit my grandparents. That's lovely. How often do you see them? About once every month. They live in a small town. Do you like going there? Yeah, it's super peaceful. We usually eat together and talk for hours. That sounds wonderful. What about you? Got any weekend plans? If the weather's nice, I might head to the beach. That sounds amazing. Do you enjoy swimming? I do, but I mostly love walking along the shore. That's so relaxing. Do you go by yourself or with someone? Sometimes alone, sometimes with my cousin. Nice. Maybe I can tag along next time. Sure. We can grab some ice cream too. Have you read any good books recently? Yeah, I finished a mystery novel last week. Was it good? It was really exciting. I read the whole thing in just 2 days. Wow, you read fast. I read every night before going to bed. It helps me fall asleep. I should try that. I usually end up watching videos. Well, that might be why you don't sleep early. True. I really need to fix that habit. By the way, have you traveled anywhere recently? Not really, but I've been thinking about taking a short trip. Maybe just a weekend getaway. That sounds like a good idea. Where do you want to go? I was thinking about going to the mountains, somewhere quiet with fresh air and beautiful views. Oh, that sounds peaceful. I went to the mountains last year. It was so refreshing. Did you hike? A little. I'm not a big hiker, but I enjoyed walking on the easy trails. We also stayed in a small cabin. That sounds perfect. I need a break from city noise and traffic. Yeah, sometimes we just need to slow down and breathe. Exactly. Maybe I'll go next month. Autumn is coming and the leaves will be beautiful. Good choice. The fall colors in the mountains are amazing. Red, orange, yellow. It's like a painting. Do you usually travel with friends or by yourself? It depends. Sometimes I go with friends, but I also like solo trips. It's nice to have time for yourself. I agree. Being alone can be relaxing. You can move at your own pace. Right, and it gives you time to think and reflect. Speaking of reflection, I've been trying to make some changes lately. Oh yeah? Like what? Well, I'm trying to eat healthier and sleep earlier. It's not easy though. Tell me about it. I've been trying to cut back on sugar. No more cookies at midnight. Haha, I used to do that too. Now I try to snack on fruit instead. That's smart. I started drinking herbal tea in the evening. It helps me relax. That's a good idea. I should try that. I usually drink coffee too late. Oh no. That definitely affects your sleep. I know. I'm learning slowly, small changes, you know? Exactly. No need to be perfect. Just try to be better every day. That's a great mindset. I'm also trying to spend less time on my phone. Same here. It's so easy to waste time scrolling. I've started reading more instead. Not just books, but articles, even short stories. That's awesome. I think reading really helps with learning new words. And it's relaxing too. Better than watching random videos for hours. For sure. Oh, by the way, did you hear about that new art exhibit downtown? No, I didn't. What is it about? It's a collection of local artists, paintings, photography, even handmade crafts. That sounds really interesting. Are you planning to go? Yeah, maybe this weekend. Want to come? I'd love to. Let's go together. Perfect. After that, we can grab some lunch. Sounds like a plan. I'm glad we met up today. Me too. Talking like this always makes me feel better. Same here. Good coffee, good company, and good conversation. That's the best combo